Hey guys, it's JP554731 again, and I just got two packages from Japan, and I use DHL Express, and usually I leave a note asking them to drop it off, but I got two packages this time, and I was really pissed because it was supposed to get me on. It was supposed to get to me on Friday. I had it shipped out on Wednesday, and then like they didn't leave my packages, and I was like, what the hell? Because I had to wait 2 more days for them to ship, for them to drop it off, because I guess they don't do Saturday deliveries unless you pay for it, which is kind of retarded because you're already paying express. So yeah, I just thought that was kind of dumb. Let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the first thing that I got was the Yokai Red. Let's see if I can get this in one read. Nintendo DS Yo Softo. So Nintendo DS use software, I guess. Kaizoku Sentai Gokaija Atsumete Henshin 35 Sanjugo Sentai Tokusei Ranger Key. So yeah, there that is. It's a mouthful to say. It's in purple, which is kind of weird, and you can see it works with all the Ranger accessories. The next thing I got was another Gokai Red Key, but this one is for the Wii. This is Wii Yo Softo, so Wii use software. Super Sentai Battle Ranger Cross Tokusei Ranger Key. So there's that, and it works with all the accessories again. And lastly, I got the Ranger Key series Gosei Red Telebi magazine, so TV magazine Tokubetsu Bajan, so the special version. And there's the accessories again, and let's show you the other things that I got in the same package. I'm gonna be reviewing this. I wanted to get this for a long time. This is the GM Great Mechanics. I don't think this has anything to do with Gunpla, but I just wanted to make sure anyway. So you can see GM Kuel, some GM type mech from F91 or somewhere in that time frame, and then you can see the Jagan, Stark Jagan, that's what it's called. Jeez, I call myself a GM fanatic and I can't even get the Stark Jagan right. And so yeah, I'll be reviewing this as well as my other magazines. And I also got the Gundam Wing, the 3D, and this is a mashup of like 1/144th, 1 to 100th, and 1 to 1/60th scale kits. And this is a Hobby Japan special issue, and it retailed for 1,500 yen, and this one retailed for 1,200 yen. So there's that package. Let's go to the next package. So all those Ranger keys were sealed, so they're brand new. So this next one is 2 Mobirates. And these are the 2 original Mobirates, not the Legends version. So this one looks pretty banged up, but the other one in front seems to be the new one. Yeah, this one is used, definitely. So, yeah, even the Ranger keys are used. And, yeah, the arms are pretty wiggly, and the hinge is pretty off as well. The sticker looks pretty bad as well. So, yeah, there's that. Let's see if it's on. Oh, there's no batteries. So, yeah, the paint looks okay. Just a little dinged up. But other than that, this used Mobirates is pretty good condition. So I might be selling that since I already have a Mobirates. I'll probably sell this one. This one's brand new and sealed, so I'm not gonna. Oh, I'll probably open it to inspect it just to see if the innards work. So yeah, that's it for this in packaging. This is JP554731 thanking you for watching. Again, please rate, subscribe, and comment, as I always appreciate that. See you guys later.